How to make, or how I made, minimalist magnetic propagation planters. Let's get into it. I started by cutting a piece of scrap down to 2 inches. Then, using a 2-inch circle guide, I outlined 3 circles. Before cutting them out, I bored a 1 3/8 relief to make room for the magnet. Then, rough cut the circles from the scrap piece. After that, I marked the center of each block. Then used a pinned circle cutting jig in conjunction with the table saw to cleanly cut the circles. Then, use the scrap wood push and the bandsaw to take them down to their final depth. With the pieces cut, it was time to sand. Then, give them a nice whitewash coat after using a Forstner bit to clear a spot for the leather straps that will hold the vials. With the strap and vial in place, I secured one side of the magnet to the workpiece. Then, remove the excess leather straps. With the workpieces done, it was time to mount them. I used drywall screws to place the other side of the magnets. Then, cutting just below the leaf along the stem, I cut a few leaves to propagate. Filled the vials up. And connected the magnets. In hindsight, I may have deepened the relief to encapsulate both magnets or potentially added a wood block to the wall to help soften the magnetic connection. I guess another project for another wall. Until next time.